It only takes a few minutes to get a custom upgrade like this on your Ford truck. Hey guys, Nick here from F150LEDs.com. Today we're excited to introduce you to our brand new LED mirror logo lights for your Ford truck. Our LED mirror logo lights will replace the factory Puddle lights and create a customized projection based on your truck's trim. Each time you approach or exit your truck, these high definition LED projection lamps are going to deliver a level of refinement and a premium feel in a way that your factory Puddle lamps never could. We've designed our LED mirror logo lights to work for F-150, Super Duty, Bronco, and Ranger, and we offer them in 9 different logo configurations from XLT, Super Duty, Lariat, Trimmer, Bronco, King Ranch, Platinum, Limited, and Raptor. It only takes a few minutes to get a custom upgrade like this on your Ford truck. Step 1, we need to remove our old factory Puddle light. So we're going to use the included flathead screwdriver, and there's a notch located here. We're going to insert our flathead screwdriver there and then pry down, and that will release the factory Puddle light. Now we can pull away on our wire connector and set this factory light aside. Now we can take our logo projector system and plug our leads into the factory connector. These are not polar sensitive, so it doesn't matter which one you plug them in. Then we'll push our wiring back into this mirror housing. And take note, there is a driver side and passenger side mirror logo light assembly, so you want to make sure that you've got the right one and then push it back into place. If you need to adjust the orientation of your logo, you can do so using this custom tool, and there's 2 knockouts here on our outer lens, and you can rotate your lens assembly, and that will help you keep your logo parallel, or whatever your preference is. This tool will allow you to adjust that logo display. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've added a unique touch to your truck that you and your family will enjoy every time you're exiting and approaching your vehicle. You can check out our LED mirror logo lights right now at F150LEDs.com, where you'll find all of our custom-built LED lighting products made specifically for your Ford truck. We truly appreciate your support. We can't wait to serve you soon and see you soon at F150LEDs.com. Be sure that you're subscribed to our YouTube below so you don't miss out on any of our latest and greatest LED products. Plus, be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at F150LEDs. Thanks, guys.